Hi, welcome you all. Welcome to my channel. In Corona days, we are feeling very difficult to wear the masks every day and every time whenever we used to go out. And in Japan country, especially the Japan people, they will wear the mask every day whenever they will go out. There are different six main reasons are there why the Japan people they used to wear the mask even if they go out from their homes. And if we are even nowadays if we are facing very difficulty even to wear the mask, and even at the same time the government they are giving very clear instructions, and they are making the fine even if you don't wear the mask. That is what the today's trend what we are facing. Without mask if you go out means, so there is chances of transmitting the virus from one person to the another person, as well as so there may be a chance of spreading the flu of one person to the another person. So that is the reason why the government also giving warning all to all the public so to wear the masks. And it is a must even to go out from your home. So mask is compulsory and mandatory for all the public people. But so that is what we are seeing now. But in Japan it is not the case like that. Japan every day they used to wear the masks at different situations and in different times. We will see in detail so how why the Japan people they used to wear the mask every day. And if you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe now and hit that bell icon so to get the future notifications whenever I upload the video. So in Japan, if you consider especially the six main reasons are there why the Japan people they used to wear the mask. The first thing is whenever they feel very little sick, so even the cold they used to wear the mask. And second thing is the spring season they must wear the mask. And the third is hotels, restaurants they have to wear the mask. And the fourth one is winter season they have to wear the mask. And fifth one is so if they are not makeup properly, so that time they used to wear the mask. And the sixth one is so to maintain the social distance, so they used to wear the mask. So we will see in detail now one by one. So the one thing is, if they feel the first reason, if they feel that little kind of illness on their body, so even a little cold, so they used to wear the mask. So why? Because to avoid the transmission from one person to the another person, so they used to wear the mask in order to avoid the spreading of the germs from one person to the another person, so they used to wear the mask properly. So second reason is in spring season, especially in spring season, so the trees will bloom and the flowers will come out. So because of that flower powder, the powder will contaminate in the air. So because of that contamination, so the people will get allergy. So to avoid that kind of allergy conditions, so the Japan government will make alert to the public that, so they will give the news and they will spread the news that this much area, this much of contamination of air is this much. So they will give the contaminated percentage. So with that the people will get alert and they will go out on that area particularly. So by wearing the masks to avoid such kind of allergies. The third point is the hotels and restaurants chefs who are working to make the food, even the street foods also. So they must wear the mask before cooking as well as while distributing the food to the customers. So the same kind of thing is implemented even the governmental organizations, especially in the schools for their midday meals. So like in Andhra and Telangana, so the midday meals also they are arranging in Japan also. So in order to avoid the spreading of germs from one person to the another person, so it is mandatory. They made it mandatory. So mandate to wear the mask, especially in the food preparation as well as the food distribution in the schools. And if you consider the fourth point, in the winter seasons especially, so the the cold is very high in Japan. So in order to get warm themselves, they used to wear the mask even if they are in the home as well as even if they go out. Fifth point is whenever they are not yet especially for the ladies point of view, if they are not makeup properly, so the punctuality, the time is very much important for the Japanese people. So they used to reach to their offices exactly on time. So in order to maintain that punctuality, if the ladies are not makeup properly, so they used to wear the mask. That's the one reason. And the second reason is, in order to avoid the exposure of their beauty to the public, they used to wear the mask. So especially with the gents point of view, so they will looks like very clean and neat shaved personality. If they don't get ready, so at that time, so they used to wear the mask and they will go to the offices. So even to protect themselves as well as even to protect their beauty, so they used to wear the mask, especially in the Japan. And the sixth point, if you consider the social distance, some people they used to wear the mask if they feel that shy and nervous to expose to the society. Especially in the Japan personalities, the first thing what they will do is, by seeing the person's face and their body language, they are going to judge the people personality. So this is the main cause why the people who are going to face, who will having the nervous and shy in nature, so to expose to the society people, so they will wear the mask and they will go to the public and they interact with the public people in order to avoid they used to go for wearing the mask and they will avoid meeting the direct person. So by wearing the mask, so they will escape from that. That's the reason why. So these people who are having shy and nervousness, so in order to avoid the social distance and social people, they will wear the mask and they will interact with the people. So these are the common reasons, but even though the Japan people, they will take it as very serious and they will take it as in person. So they will wear the mask every time and they will go out every time and they will protect themselves as well as to protect the others in order to avoid the spreading of germs or any kind of disease to the other persons. But in nowadays, wearing the mask is mandatory for all. So if we wear the mask, then only we are going to protect from ourselves from spreading corona as well as even from the other kind of disease.